So, hello everyone. Now we are going to do this question, which is unpolarized light is incident from air on a plane surface of a material of refractive index mu at a perpendicular angle of incident at a particular angle of incident I. It is found that the reflected and the reflected ray are perpendicular to each other. So, which of the following options is correct for this situation? So, let's draw it. So this is the surface which is mu. Okay, so and this is the unpolarized light which is come from the air, and this will be the incident angle I. Oh, just a second. This is okay. Now and it is the vector, as it is the unpolarized light, so it's dotted and vector both. Okay, and and it is the refracted ray, and this is the reflected ray. So the angle between both of them is 90 degree, as it is said over here. The reflected and the reflected ray are perpendicular to each other. So as they are perpendicular to each other, so the angle I, which is incident, is equal to angle theta P, which is the theta for the unpolarized light. So using the Brewster's law, we can say that mu is equal to tangent tan. Just a second, need to change my pen. Okay, need to change my pen. Okay, so it's basically equal to uh, tan theta p. Okay, so with this we can say that this is not the correct option, and this is also false the solution. So the it will say that the reflected ray of light when the angle of incidence is Brewster law, and the refracted ray is the partially polarized ray, and the reflected ray is the completely polarized ray. So what we are going to do, we have to going to do the put the dots on this, and on this we can put the dot vector dot vector. Okay, and this and with this we can say that the uh, com comprises of only the other component of light wave, which is oscillating in a direction perpendicular to the vibration of electric vectors. So with this we can say the correct option will be the when its electric vector perpendicular to the plane of incident. So the correct option will be the answer 2. Answer 1 is says it will be parallel, but it's not parallel, it's perpendicular, as you can see that over here. Okay, so reflected light is polarized with the electric vector perpendicular to the plane of incident. Let's see what's the correct answer is 2. So thank you everyone. Now